Have you ever wondered how an AI actually chooses the next word in a sentence? It doesn't just guess randomly. It uses a scoring system called Logits. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what Logits are using a simple example. Imagine you give ChatGPT a prompt like, "The sky is." Before the AI gives you an answer, it looks at every single word in its dictionary and assigns it a raw score. These raw scores are the Logits. Think of Logits as the AI's gut feeling. It gives the word blue a high score, maybe 10.5. It gives clear a decent score, like 8.2. But it gives the word banana a negative score, like -15, because the sky is banana makes no sense. Here is the catch: Logits are just raw numbers. They aren't percentages yet. To turn them into a decision, the AI uses a math formula called Softmax. This converts those raw Logit scores into probabilities. Suddenly, that 10.5 score for blue becomes a 90% chance. So, why does this matter? When developers want to make an AI more creative or strictly factual, they don't change the words, they do math on the Logits. By tweaking these scores, we control whether the AI is predictable or whether it surprises us. Now you know the secret behind the AI's choices. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more AI concepts explained simply.